So are you fascinated by AI and cloud computing, but you have no idea where to start? So you've probably heard of AWS powering everything from smart apps to billion-dollar platforms. And maybe you're just wondering if there's a career in it for me. Well, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to break down the complete roadmap to becoming an AWS AI cloud engineer, even if you're starting from scratch or zero. So from what the role involves to the tools you need in the exact steps to make you job ready, this is your beginner-friendly blueprint. So let's dive right in. So what is an AI cloud engineer anyways? Well, first, let's understand the role itself. AWS AI Cloud Engineer combines cloud engineering skills with artificial intelligence. Well, that means you're not just launching servers or hosting websites, you're actually deploying machine learning models, building smart applications, and using AWS tools to power AI at scale. Well, you're going to be working with services, for example, like Amazon SageMaker for training machine learning models, AWS Lambda for serverless automation, S3 for storing data, EC2 for computing power, like AWS Rekognition, Poly, Comprehend, and Translate, and image recognition, and all these services that you will be actually using. One of the most in-demand roles because the intersection of two fast-growing fields, right? AI and cloud computing. Well, why do you want to choose AWS for the cloud? Well, there's several cloud platforms like Google Cloud, Azure, but why AWS? Well, AWS is, of course, the global leader in the first place, but it's easy to use. It has the most mature, feature-rich tools for deploying AI solutions in production. And AWS, what you get is basically access to enterprise-grade AI tools, scalable infrastructure tool, pay-as-you-go, low latency, pre-trained services like Amazon Bedrock for agents development, right? So if you're starting off, it offers a free tier limit, right, for about 750 hours a year, something like that. So that's really all you need, right? So what are the skills you need to become an AI cloud engineer? So let's talk about what you need to learn now. Well, you're going to start with cloud basics. You should understand how cloud computing works in the first place and get comfortable with AWS core services. Then you're going to add some programming skills. Not a whole lot because we have AI tools that do it for us, right? But Python, Java, just a little bit. Just basic understanding of Python script and libraries like NumPy and other like, for example, scikit-learn. Then learn machine learning fundamentals and understand what models are, how training works, how data ingestion works, and the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, right? And after that, you can move into AWS-specific tools for AI. Now, these tools, such as, for example, Amazon SageMaker, Bedrock, Lambda, Rekognition, Comprehend, and Amazon Lex for chatbots, right? For Glue for data processing, and Athena for querying data. And then finally, you need to understand DevOps and deployment because you need to build pipelines, learn about containers like Docker, CI/CD pipelines, and how to scale applications in the cloud. And here's the step-by-step roadmap for you. So I'm going to break it into steps so you can follow easily. Well, the first step is learn cloud basics, like I mentioned. You need to sign up for the AWS free tier and explore the AWS Management Console and understand services like EC2, S3, IAM, VPC, and then go for the Cloud Practitioner certification. That's a fundamental base level certification for beginners. Step 2 is learn Python and data science. Well, install Python on your system, practice with basic scripts, functions, and of course do some data analysis in Panda, NumPy, and use Jupyter notebooks, right? And I have a full course here on our channel so you can check that out. And then step 3 is learn machine learning concepts like ML basics, classification, regression, training, testing, overfitting, and TensorFlow or PyTorch understanding, right? Now I'm mentioning all these different tools that you need to kind of have a flavor for. Next step is learn AWS and ML tools, right? Like a SageMaker Studio build. train, and deploy a simple element models. And there are many templates that you can actually work with once you are in SageMaker. And then you can work with Amazon Comprehend to extract insight with chatbot, connecting to Amazon Lex, and connecting everything to S3. Next step 5, is building real projects. Now, let me give you some ideas for the projects. Deploy a sentiment analysis app using SageMaker, using Rekognition to detect objects, to upload photos that it detects for you, right? And puts everything in S3, and then you can create a chatbot or create a serverless, backend for using AWS Lambda. Now, these small projects help you build a portfolio that basically impresses employers. Step 6 is great because now you need to get certified. You can get certified with AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, for example, Specialty AWS Certified Solutions Architect, or the associate level certification that demonstrate your skills and abilities that you understand the AWS infrastructure. Now, there are many free and paid resources. We have full courses right here on CLIDS. You can actually just take the courses, and it's all hands-on. So, for example, I have a full course on AWS Solutions Architect, AI courses. We have Cloud Practitioner, if you're just starting over, full 4-hour courses with step-by-step hands-on. So all you need to do is just watch the video and follow along, and you should be good to go. Other things that you can do is white papers, join community groups, right? So some of the mistakes that you don't want to make, let me talk about those. So think of all AWS services as not skipping the basics and jumping into advanced AI tools. So you want to make sure you have the base fundamental down before you actually progress to more intermediate and expert level skills. So stick to your roadmap and build a strong foundation first. Now, what jobs can you get after you get certified, right? So once you build confidence with cloud and AI, here are roles that you can pursue. For example, AI Cloud Engineer, Machine Learning Engineer, Data Engineer, or AWS DevOps Engineer for AI workloads. You can get into Solutions Architect. You can get into Developer, Product Engineer. Now, these jobs are in demand across many industries: finance, e-commerce, healthcare, you name it. And AWS offers a structured AI and ML certification path also. It begins with the AWS Certified AI Practitioner, which is the new one, right? Which is a foundational level credential designed for those who understand, but don't necessarily build AI or ML solutions because it's a base level. Now, this certification validates, grasps, or validates the core concepts like Bedrock, SageMaker, Comprehend, Lex, and Amazon Q. Generative AI use cases also, right? And basic ethical considerations. Now, the exam consists of 65 questions pretty much and 90 minutes and costs about $100, so you can actually jump right in. And AWS provides the next certification is Machine Learning Engineer Associate, ML AC01, right, if I'm not mistaken, which is the role-based certification that assesses your ability to manage the entire ML lifecycle from data preparation to model deployment and monitoring. Now, it requires a year of AI, right, for ML experience, and it costs about $150, right? You can get certified, but you need to have that experience before you attempt this exam. And then we have other advanced exams, for example, the additional certifications that you can get for experts. Now, other exams are pretty much the same. They have about 65 questions or 70 questions. They cost between 100 and 150. But for example, you can take the analytics certification, right? So, but you have to start from the basics, Cloud Practitioner, and then you go from onwards, right? Because these certifications give you a clear path, right? And validate your skills, and ultimately the specialty level design and optimization of ML systems. Now, AWS also supports candidates with comprehensive prep materials. You get all the resources out there, and there's several resources on our channel as well as on our blog, which is blog.clids.com, and you can check those out. They're all for free. And then finally, the good part. What about salary and what do you get out of it, right? So the AI Cloud Engineer are highly paid. Even entry-level roles can start at $70,000, $90,000, or even I've seen students with over $100,000, right, with experience in certifications. The salaries can jump into easy 6 figures, going up to 120 to 150, right? Because AI is evolving very quickly. New opportunities are opening up every year. So here are the key takeaways, right? So you don't need a degree or years of experience to break into tech. You can start with one step. Create your AWS account, which is a free tier account. Learn Python. Take the Cloud Practitioner exam. That's your base level certification. Build a basic ML model on SageMaker and show it to the world, right? So this journey may seem long, but every expert started where you are right now. So do not wait, right? Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how far you can actually go in just a few months. So if you found this roadmap helpful, check out all the other full courses that we have at ClayDesk and our resources at our blog. My name is Syed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.